Hello, and welcome to this video about choosing insurance in the United States. Insurance can be a complex and confusing topic, but it's an important one that can help protect you and your family in the event of an accident, injury, or loss. In this video, we'll break down the different types of insurance available in the US, and help you make an informed decision about the coverage that's right for you. Overview of insurance in the US. Before we dive into the specific types of insurance, let's first take a look at the overall insurance landscape in the United States. In the US, insurance is typically regulated at the state level, which means that insurance laws and regulations can vary from state to state. However, there are some overarching federal laws that govern insurance as well, such as the Affordable Care Act. When it comes to insurance, you have two main options. You can buy insurance from a private company, or you can enroll in a public insurance program like Medicaid or Medicare. Each option has its own set of pros and cons, and the best choice for you will depend on your individual circumstances. Types of insurance. Now, let's take a closer look at the different types of insurance that are available in the United States. The first type of insurance that we'll talk about is health insurance. Health insurance helps cover the costs of medical care, including doctor visits, hospital stays, and prescription drugs. There are two main types of health insurance: private insurance, which is purchased from a private company, and public insurance, which is provided by the government. If you're looking to purchase private health insurance, there are several factors to consider, including your budget, your personal health needs, and the type of coverage you want. Some private insurance plans have lower monthly premiums, but may require you to pay more out of pocket when you need medical care. Other plans have higher premiums, but offer more comprehensive coverage. If you're considering enrolling in a public insurance program like Medicaid or Medicare, you'll need to meet certain eligibility requirements, such as being a US citizen or legal resident, and having a low income. Medicaid and Medicare both offer comprehensive health coverage, but there may be certain restrictions or limitations on the types of services that are covered. The next type of insurance that we'll talk about is auto insurance. Auto insurance is required by law in most states, and it helps cover the costs of damage to your car, as well as any liability costs if you're at fault in an accident. There are several types of coverage available, including liability coverage, collision coverage, and comprehensive coverage. When choosing auto insurance, it's important to consider the type of car you drive, your driving habits, and your budget. You may also want to consider adding optional coverage, such as roadside assistance or rental car coverage, to your policy. The third type of insurance that we'll discuss is homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance is typically required by your mortgage lender, and it helps protect your home and personal belongings in the event of damage or loss. There are several types of coverage available, including dwelling coverage, personal property coverage, and liability coverage. When choosing homeowners insurance, it's important to consider the value of your home and personal belongings, as well as your budget. You may also want to consider adding optional coverage, such as flood insurance or earthquake insurance, to your policy if you live in an area that's prone to those types of natural disasters. The fourth type of insurance that we'll talk about is life insurance. Life insurance provides financial support to your loved ones in the event of your death. There are two main types of life insurance: term life insurance, which provides coverage for a specific period of time, and whole life insurance, which provides coverage for your entire life. When choosing life insurance, it's important to consider your personal circumstances, such as your age, health, and financial obligations. You'll also want to think about the amount of coverage you need, and the type of policy that's right for you. Choosing the right insurance for you. Now that you have a better understanding of the different types of insurance available in the United States, it's time to start thinking about the coverage that's right for you. The first step in choosing insurance is to assess your personal needs and circumstances. This includes factors like your age, health, and financial situation, as well as your personal preferences and priorities. The next step is to research the different insurance options available to you. This may involve speaking with an insurance agent, shopping around for quotes, and comparing coverage and costs. It's also important to read the fine print of any insurance policy that you're considering, to make sure that you understand the coverage, deductibles, and limitations. If you're unsure about any aspect of the policy, don't hesitate to ask questions or seek out additional information. Finally, make sure to review and update your insurance coverage on a regular basis. This is especially important if you experience any major life changes, such as getting married, having a baby, or buying a new home. And that's it. We hope this video has helped you get a better understanding of the different types of insurance available in the United States, and how to choose the coverage that's right for you. Thanks for watching.